Let's build a human handoff that doesn't leave visitors in limbo. Open your assistant, choose functions, and find live chat. Enable it only when someone really monitors the queue. Set the wait time to match your response promise, then add the people who should receive new request notifications. In this example, Tutorial Lab waits 10 minutes. If nobody accepts the request, the assistant can return instead of keeping the visitor stuck forever. Now, test from a fresh visitor session. First, ask the bot one normal question, so you know automatic answering works. Then say you want a human and include recognizable test details. Alex example and alex@example.com. The widget confirms that a team member will join shortly. That's an important state, not decorative copy. It tells us the request reached the handoff flow and the visitor is now waiting instead of silently talking to the bot. Switch to dashboard and open live chats. Select the waiting request, but don't take over blindly. Check the visitor name, contact details, language, location, and the full conversation first. Here, the agent can see the earlier Nordstern 42 answer, the request for a human, and the visitor details in one place. That context is the point of a good handoff. The person can continue the conversation instead of asking the customer to start again. When you're ready, select Takeover. The session becomes active human chat, so the assistant no longer generates replies for that conversation. Write naturally and acknowledge what the visitor already told you. Our agent replies, "Hi Alex, this is Maya from support. I can confirm the Nordstern 42 code is correct. Is there anything else I can help you with?" The sent message remains visible beside the original context, which proves the agent reply actually reached the session. Don't just close the browser when the issue is resolved. Select End Chat and confirm the action. The status changes to closed while the transcript stays available for review and follow-up. This explicit end matters because it returns control to the configured assistant. It also gives reporting a clean boundary between the human support interval and whatever happens next. Finally, return to the same visitor chat and send another message. Ask, "What is the verification code again?" The assistant answers with Nordstern 42 from the index source. That completes the real chain. Bot answer, human request, visible waiting state, full history, agent reply, session end, and bot resume. Save this exact test as a release check. If any one state is missing, the handoff isn't finished yet.